Hey everybody, welcome back. Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about wiper blade brands and products, because it's a good idea to change your wiper blades every 6 months or so, and there are a lot of great products to consider. Before I get into that, I want to give you the opportunity to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Alright, I'm going to start today by talking about the Bosch Spectrum DirectFit product line. It's a great place to start because these blades all match the technology and fitment of your vehicle's original equipment. And in the Spectrum DirectFit line, you can find almost any blade you could want, like beam blades, conventional blades, hybrid blades, and even rear wiper blades. And since they're designed to match your vehicle's original equipment, you'll always get factory performance. Not to mention, they're really easy to install. And if you're not sure what we mean when we use terms like beam or conventional, we've made a video just to talk about terms like that so you can know how different types of wipers are designed. Now, if you're looking for the best available technology in wiper blades, the beam blade is the way to go. Beam blades are specially crafted to offer more consistent blade to windshield contact than conventional blades, and we have several of these to choose from. The first of these is the Trico Force. The beam design delivers uniform contact with your windshield, but this blade also has a swept wing spoiler that slices through wind speeds in excess of 135 miles an hour. Now you may be thinking, hey man, I don't go driving when there's a tornado. But the combination of your vehicle's speed and a strong wind can still get pretty intense, and you can know that these wipers will stay flush against the glass at just about any speed. Your next option, the RainX Latitude, eliminates all exposed metal components so it'll perform better in extreme conditions. It also contours to the curvature of your windshield for even wiping pressure along the entire blade, because that's actually what beam blades do. But this blade also has a synthetic rubber squeegee that is coated with graphite, so that the wipe not only contours the glass, but is even less likely to streak or skip. The Bosch Icon is another one of your high-end beam choices, so it's made without the brackets that can cause pressure points and streaking. It's made with tension springs for flexibility and a special rubber blade that is powder coated, so the Icon can actually last up to 40% longer than other blades. And because of its customized precision fit and design, the Icon is going to give you top-of-the-line performance in any kind of weather. Now, these last two choices are the absolute latest and greatest in beam blade technology. First, you have the Trico Titan, made in the USA. This blade features a robust construction, laser-precise twin-rail design to eliminate streaking, and an infused micromatic synthetic compound, which is fancy speak for a blade that can last up to 3 times longer than other premium blades. It also has a spoiler that's wind tunnel tested and proven to convert the force of wind into positive windshield contact. Finally, if you do much driving after dark, the Bosch Focus could be the blade for you. It's a blade that's designed especially for nighttime driving, but has several features that make it one of the best all-around blades for driving at any time of the day, in any conditions. It has the same advanced rubber formulation as the Icon, but also includes a night spoiler that reduces glare from reflective lights and night view technology that helps reduce blur so that you can see clearly if you do have to drive through rain after the sun goes down. The Focus also features a blade that is fused to the base connector, which makes wiping even more uniform. All these blades and more are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. And if you pick your blades up at one of our stores, we'll gladly install them for free. Our DIY videos are designed to answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.